to City College of San Fernando, Pampanga, where your future begins.
At City College of San Fernando, we believe in providing a high-quality education with a personal touch.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. Why City College?
Why City College? Because here at City College, we offer quality tertiary education. Aside from that, we maintain a good record when it comes to LEC exam. And in City College is accredited with ALCOA. Okay? And another thing, when someone outside hears about City College, they have this mindset that all students in City College know biyasa, maganakat, and bayan ka sa atin. So, City College.
With a wide range of programs and hands-on learning experiences, you will be equipped with skills and knowledge to succeed in today's competitive world.
Preferably, it's free because city colleges now under CHED, they are titled of not the word entitled, as public colleges that are offering programs for students who finish senior high school. It's free. Tuition free. So mga parents ay wala nang problema when it comes to the tuition fees of the students. Yan yung ibigay ng gobyerno sa atin. Napaka-importante sa ngayon kasi economically speaking, mahirap ang buhay. So ang mga public colleges na yan, mga local colleges, state colleges, nagbibigay sila ng libreng pag-aaral sa kolehiyo. Kahit anumang kurso o program ang gusto nila kuhanin. So malaking tulong ito sa ating mga magulang, lalong-lalo na yung mga hindi kaya pag-aralin yung kanilang mga anak. Kaya kung ako, tatanungin, why City College? Kasi libre ang pag-aaral.
Join our successful graduates in making their careers and communities at City College of San Fernando. Your success is our success.
Enroll today and start your journey towards a brighter future. City College of San Fernando, where dreams take flight.
City College of San Fernando, Pampanga, integrity,